Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some perler beads. I have orange, green, and black. And if you want to stop the video here, this is going to be how we start it. This is the pattern. You're also going to need 3 feet of string, scissors, and I have a needle that's optional. You're going to fold your string in half, and I'm going to show you how to start this. You'll take the 2 orange and put 1 on each side and let the beads go all the way down to the end like this. The next one is the black, and that's going to go through both strings. You can hold these ends and then pull the bead down. Okay, and then we're going to add the 2 black and the rest of the beads here. I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, when you get all your beads on, it should look like this, and you're going to have 1 extra green over here. And on this side, go ahead and put your needle on. And you're going to want to make sure all those beads are nice and tight. We're going to add a green, and we're going to go through this very top green. And you're making a circle. You might need to pull the string to make it tight. Now we're going to go through that bead we just added. And we're going to add 1 more green. And you're going to take the needle and go down through that bead to make a circle. And we're going to go up through that bead we just added. And for this side here, you can take your string and go up through here. And I'm taking the needle back down. And down this green. We're going to put the needle on the other side, and we're going to go down this green. We went down this one, and we're going to cross over here and go down this green. So we were just making a path on both sides to get down to these 2 beads here. Okay, it doesn't really matter which side you start on because we're going to do the exact same thing on both sides. So I have my needle on here. We're going to take a green and go through that green. We're going to take an orange and go through the orange. Oh, I almost lost my scissors. We're going to add an orange another orange, we're going to add a black, we're going to add an orange, and you can flip this over. We're going to add an orange, a black, orange, another orange, another orange, we're going to add green, okay, we're going to flip this over, you're going to add green, orange, black, orange, orange, black, we're going to flip this around. We're going to add an orange, we're going to add black, we're going to add an orange, black, oh wait a minute, oh yeah, that's right, orange, orange, and we're going to flip this over. This time we need to make a path to get over to this orange, so we're coming out of this green, we're going to take our needle and go up these two, up those two green beads, and then we're going to go down this bead and then up this one. So you're just making a path to come up to this bead. We're going to add an orange, black, we're going to add orange, black, whoops, orange, and flip that over. We're going to add orange, and another orange. We're going to add a black. And the rest of these will all be orange. So here's one. Okay, for this last orange, we need to go down down these two. And we're gonna go up these two and then down this one. So we're just making that path to get over to this bead. And we go down, flip it over. Now the rest of these rows are all going to be orange. Okay, you're going to flip this over, and we're going to keep adding orange. Flip this over. And we're going to add orange. Go through this one. Okay, we need to make a path to get to this bead over here, so we're going to go down two, up this one, and then down that one. Flip it over, and we're still just adding orange. Okay, we need to make a path to get back over to this bead here, so we're going to go down these two orange. We're going to go up this one and then down that one. Flip it over. Okay, we need to make a path to get over to this bead, so we're going to go down these two. Up this one and then down this one. Flip it over. And these are going to be our last two beads for this row. Go ahead and make a knot here on the string. Just tie it right there. Okay, so we have one side complete. You're going to put your needle on the other piece of string, and we're going to repeat the same exact process. So you can stop the video and then start from the beginning to repeat the same thing. It'll be the same exact thing. I'm going to go ahead and do my other half off camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like all together. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all finished. You can go ahead and tie this off here. And any extra string you have, you can use to put this on a necklace or a bracelet. And they're pretty lightweight because they're perlers, so you could even make earrings. You can do anything you want with this charm. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.